Hello, today I'll be talking about the autonomous driving, specifically about Spain. It's by me, Aiden Ramirez. What is autonomous driving? Autonomous driving means cars can drive themselves without a person controlling them. These cars use cameras, sensors, and computers to see the road and make driving decisions. The car's computer collects data from sensors and decides how to steer, stop, or speed up safely. It can help reduce accidents, make travel easier, and help people who can't drive. In the USA, many companies are testing self-driving cars in cities, and Spain is also working on this tech, but is still starting to test it on some roads. Who's using autonomous driving? Right now, people who want safer driving and companies that deliver goods use it. In the future, more regular drivers and people who can't drive might use it too. It helps people making roads safer and easier to travel. But some drivers and truckers might lose jobs because of these cars that drive themselves. And then some jobs that are in this are engineers who build cars, tech workers, and we have tech workers who fix software and safely testers. And then over time, more jobs will appear as the tech grows. And then an example of this career is the autonomous vehicle engineer. What the role is, they design and test the self-driving car systems to make sure they work well and safely. And then some skills needed is that you have to be good at math, coding, and solving problems. And they also need to understand how cars work. Salary is about 40,000 euros to 70,000 euros a year in Spain. And then the career path, you start as a junior engineer, then become a lead engineer or project manager. And where are they using autonomous driving? In countries like USA, China, and Spain. And then we have cities like New York, Shanghai, Barcelona. Industries include the taxi services, delivery, and trucking. And then the top three areas that I liked were the self-driving taxis. They can take people places without a driver. We have delivery trucks. They bring packages safely and faster. And then we have public buses. They can help move lots of people in cities. And then some challenges and opportunity is that cars need to be very safe so no accidents happen. And then the other opportunity is that people can travel easier and cheaper, especially in busy cities like Barcelona. And then why are they using autonomous driving? So I did a SWOT analysis for the company Seat. It's a Spanish car company. And so one of the strengths is that it's a very well-known Spanish car company and has a good experience making smart and modern cars. But some weaknesses is that Seat is smaller than some big companies like Tesla. And then it's still developing autonomous tech that can be expensive and take time. Some opportunities that Seat can grow by making driverless cars for cities like Barcelona. And then it can work with tech companies to create new smart car features. And then some threats is that competition from big international companies and autonomous driving. And then laws and safety rules in Spain might slow down driverless car use. And then when are they using autonomous driving? Many experts think self-driving cars will be common by 2035 to 2040. It will start in big cities like Madrid and Barcelona. And then some barriers is that cars need to be super safe before many people trust them. And some laws in Spain still don't allow these driverless cars everywhere. And technology can be expensive and needs better internet and maps. And then how to apply autonomous driving for SDGs in your favorite country. So we have good health. Self-driving cars can reduce accidents and save lives. We have clean energy. Electric autonomous cars can lower pollution in cities like Madrid. And we have safe cities. Driverless cars can make streets safer for everyone. And quality jobs, new jobs in tech, and car services can grow in Spain. And time for our two truths and a lie. So we have autonomous cars. Autonomous cars can help reduce traffic accidents in Spain. And another one is self-driving cars are already in big cities. My bad. Self-driving cars are already in every city in Spain. Okay, so the third one is autonomous driving technology can lower air pollution. So I'll give you a couple seconds to figure out which one it is. All right, so the lie is that self-driving cars are already in every city in Spain. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot.